Okay, this is my car that I've got built here. These are the front IR sensors. That's the front motor controller, back motor controller. Here on my breadboard is my green LED that lights up when I connect to the board. Let's start this Visual Studio. This is the form that I've made. Got communicate buttons. This is where I put in the port that I'm going to communicate to. The port will turn green. Here's my controls. This is to set the speed, and this is the acquire for the IR sensors. So if I communicate, or if I connect to the board, my port that I'm connecting to is COM7, and when I communicate, my LED will go green, and that communicate button will disable, and all I can do is close the port. If I close the port, that port button goes back to red, and my LED goes out. I'm going to communicate again. Over here, if I type in something wrong, invalid, like this K, I'll get an invalid speed. The only thing it will accept is a capital H for high, capital M, or capital medium, or capital S. So if I set the capital H, I'll get the speed. And then these controls here, this will move forward. When I start going forward, the car will start to move forward, and then this reverse will disable. I can also start to acquire on my IR sensors. There we go. And they'll stay green. And then when I block an IR sensor, like right there, you'll see that that will go red. And that will go back green. And then over here, if I block this one, that side will go red. That will go green. I can stop acquiring that. I can change my speed to medium. Slows it down. And go to slow. Go super slow. And go back to H for fast. Turn that off. If I go left, it'll only drive the right side wheels here to turn the car left. Clicking it again stops it. When I go in reverse, all the wheels will go into reverse. This motor's got a low battery, so it's having a hard time starting. And the other thing I want to show is that if I'm connected, say I'm moving forward, and I close the port, it'll gray this back, clear this out, put this back to yellow, and turn off my LED. So closing the port, it stops my car, that goes yellow, this goes gray, that clears out, that port goes red, and my LED goes off right there.